Hello friends, welcome to the world of art and fashion. Today we are going to learn how to make three types of different jewelry displays from material at home. Okay, starting with bracelet holder. Let's see what all material we need. Okay, to start off with, we need something cylindrical in structure like the Pringles box I have over here, which is closed at both the ends. Okay, you can have the aluminum foil inside tube as well, and then you need a smaller tube like I have from a toilet roll. You need some glue. You can use a glue gun as well, then or any other glue, then a ruler, a scissors, a smaller one preferably, and a glue gun as I said, and a chart paper which is little more than the length of the tubes. So let's start. Put glue around the tube, the bigger one, and stick the chart paper around it firmly. So for the extended portion, just snap it up into little sections on both the sides and then just fold it inside or onto the closed side. Take the lid of the cylinder and cut two circular discs out of the chart paper like this. Then put some glue and stick it on to the both sides. So you have the main cylindrical structure of the holder ready. You can use a cloth instead of the chart paper as well, like a velvet cloth. So now we have the main cylinder ready. Now we'll do it with the smaller one as well. Just measure it out and cut out a chart paper which is more in length than the length of the tube and stick it around. We have two tubes ready. Mark the smaller one onto the bigger one and cut out a hole inside the bigger one and just fix it inside. Okay, now for the base we need a cardboard and a chart paper. Just take what is required as per your size and cut out and then stick it onto the cardboard on both the sides. So now we have the base ready, and stick the holder onto the base with the help of glue gun or glue as required. So here you go, our bracelet holder is ready. Next we'll see how to make the necklace display. For that we'll need similarly one chart paper, black in color or white in color, then one strip, rectangular strip from anything like a greeting kind of paper, and one cardboard. Okay. Additionally, we'll require a ruler, a scissor, a sellotape, and glue. Okay, so let's start. Make a stencil of the stand and then cut out the chart paper of the same size. So that we get two pieces, and then stick it on to the cardboard with the help of glue. So we have the main piece of the necklace stand ready, and then we'll see for the back stand, we fold the greeting paper into half vertically, then again into half, and two small folds at the end to make a flexible structure like this, and then we'll stick it at the back. Okay, first we'll cover this with the chart paper, and in between we'll put a sellotape, okay, to make it flexible. We don't want any rigidity there, so that it can be folded and kept during storage. And we'll stick a sellotape, two-sided sellotape at the back. You can use a glue or a glue gun as well, and then cut out two slits onto the sides and at the top of the stand to hang the necklace and the earrings as shown, and then our necklace holder is ready. Third, we'll see small individual bracelet holder. For this we'll need a sponge or foam square in shape and chart paper and the glue to stick. So just cut out the size as you require and stick it on to make this cushion. So now we have our 3 displays ready. Hope you liked it. Thank you very much and see you in the next one. If you would like to receive more such updates, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for updates. Thank you. Bye.